Hello everyone, how are you all? So today we are continuing our reading session of Animal Kingdom. So let's begin with class Mammalia now. Okay, in class Mammalia, they are found in a variety of habitats: polar ice cap, deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands, and dark caves. Okay, some of them they have adapted to fly or live in water. The most unique mammalian characteristic is presence of milk producing gland. So again, questions could be asked from mammary glands, by which the young ones are nourished. They have two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming and flying. Okay, the skin of mammals is unique because it possesses hair, again distinguishing factor. The external ears or pinnae are present. Different types of teeth are present in the jaw. Heart is four chambered. They are homeothermous. Okay, respiration is by lungs. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are viviparous, which means they do not lay eggs, rather give birth. There are a few exceptions, which is platypus. Platypus, they lay eggs in despite of being mammals. The development is direct. Examples, oviparous examples are platypus, which is known as ornithorhynchus, which is platypus. Viviparous examples are marcopus, which is kangaroo. We just saw kangaroo here. This is marcopus, which is kangaroo. This is platypus, which is ornithorhynchus. Okay. Then we have petropus, which is flying fox. Then we have camelus, which is camel. Then we have macaca, which is monkey. Rattus, which is rat. Then canis, which is dog. Felis, cat. Elphas, elephant. Equus, which is horse. Delphinus, common dolphin. Balanopetra, which is blue whale. Panthera tigris, tiger. Panthera leo, which is lion. The salient distinguishing feature of phyla under animal kingdom is comprehensively given in page number 42. We will go to the table, but before let's look at the diagram. This is platypus, which is ornithorhynchus. This is marcopus, which is kangaroo. This is petropus, which is bat, and this is Balanopetra, which is blue whale. Okay. Let's look at the salient feature of different phyla in animal kingdom. Let's begin with Porifera. Okay. What we'll do is let's look at Porifera first. It is cellular, only phylum that is cellular. Okay. Symmetry could be many. Coelom, no coelom. Acoelomate. Segmentation is not there. Digestive system is not there. Circulatory system is not there. Respiratory system is not there. Only, the body has pores and canals in the wall. Okay, ostia and osculum, just as we learned. So Porifera, the only feature that it has is that it is cellular. So if you read cellular anywhere, it's Porifera. Don't read the other options, right? Then we have Coelenterata, which is also known as Cnidaria. It is not cellular, rather it is tissue. There is only two phylums which have tissue level organization, which is first one is Coelenterata and the second one is Ctenophora. Both of them, they begin with C. Okay. Symmetry is also similar in both of them. In Coelenterata and Ctenophora, both of them are radial. If we talk about coelom, both of them are acoelomate too. Both of them, they do not have segmentation at all. Both of them do not have digestive system. They have a digestive system, but it is incomplete in nature. They both do not have circulatory system. They both do not have respiratory system. So many similarities could be seen. The differences are that the Coelenterata or Cnidaria, it has a cnidoblast, the stinging organ, and Ctenophora, it has complates, 12 rows of complates. And it is also, luminance. It is also it also shows photoluminance. Okay. Let's move ahead to the next phylum, which is Platyhelminth. Okay. So platyhelminth is organ and organ system level organization. This is also distinguishing factor that organ and organ system level organization is seen. Bilateral it's not radial. Coelom, no coelom present, acoelomate. Then segmentation is absent. Digestive system is incomplete. It is there but incomplete. Circulatory system is absent. Respiratory system is absent. Body is flat. Therefore, platyhelminthes, and it is also, they also are suckers. Next is ascalminthus or the roundworms. Ascalminthus, they have organ system level, right? And annelids, they also have organ system level. Their symmetry is bilateral, both of them. Okay, ascalminths are pseudocoelomate, again a distinguishing factor. Okay, let me point the distinguishing factors, right? That will be great. This is the distinguishing factor. Here the distinguishing factor is tissue, right? In both of them. Then in platyhelminths, the distinguishing factor is this. In ascalminth, we are reading these two together. In ascalminth, the distinguishing factor is pseudocoelomate, whereas annelida is coelomate. Okay, I think we can't read both of them together. Let's read one only. So ascalminthus, it has a distinguishing feature which is pseudocoelomate. It also does not have segmentation. Ascalminthus does, it has digestive system but it is complete. So again a distinguishing feature. Circulatory system is absent, respiratory system is absent, and ascalminths are worms. Okay, they are worms which are elongated in shape. Okay, let's look at annelidas. Annelida have own organ system level organization. They are bilateral symmetrical. They are coelomate. Now again from here on it's coelomate. Okay, then we have present. What is present? Segmentation is present. So again we see a distinguishing feature. Then we have digestive system which is complete. Circulatory system is present, which is a distinguishing factor. Then we have respiratory system which is absent. Okay, annelida, they have rings, therefore they are called annelidas. Then we have arthropodas. Arthropodas have organ system, bilateral, coelomate. Segmentation is present. Digestive system is complete. Circulatory system is present. Respiratory system is present. So all of this is pretty similar then to annelida. Difference is that the exoskeleton is made up of cuticle and joint appendages could be seen in arthropoda. Okay, next is mollusks. In mollusks, organ system level organization is seen. It is bilateral, it is coelomate. Segmentation is absent. So I would say this is again a distinguishing factor. From mollusks we do not see segmentation. Rather we can say that it is only annelida and arthropoda wherein the segmentation is seen. Rest of it, and again chordata, here also segmentation is seen. Other than that, no, we don't see segmentation. Then we have digestive system complete. Mollusks, it's complete. Circulatory system present, respiratory system present. In mollusks, the external skeleton of shell is usually present. Okay, then we have echinodermata, which are organ system. They are radial, again a distinguishing feature. Okay, then they are coelomate. We know they do not have segmentation. Digestive system is complete. Then circulatory system is present, respiratory system is present. Echinodermates also have water vascular system similar to the porifera, and the radial symmetry could also is seen over here. So this is the distinguishing feature. Let's move ahead. Hemichordates, organ system. Again the distinguishing feature would be it is bilateral again. Then they are coelomates. Then segmentation is absent, digestive system is complete, circulatory system is present, respiratory system is present. Hemichordates are again worm-like and proboscis. It has proboscis, it has collar, and it has a trunk. So it's worm-like, and that's how its structure is. Then next we have chordates. It is also organ system level. It is bilateral. It is coelomate. it is segmented. It is complete digestive system. It has circulatory system which is present. Respiratory system is also present. Distinguishing feature of notochord is number one, chordate is notochord is present. Dorsal hollow nerve cord is present. Gill slit is present with limbs and fin, and post-anal tail is present, and crossed and closed circulatory system is also present. So that is what is about the salient feature of all the phyla that are present in the animal kingdom. Just I would say, just memorize these. Maybe you can make a mnemonic. If you want a mnemonic, I can make a mnemonic for you too. Right? Just remember this order and remember the distinguishing feature. I think that will be it. Yeah. Let us move ahead, and we are left with the summary. Let's read the summary real quick. The basic fundamental features such as level of organization, symmetry, cell organization, coelom, segmentation, notochord, etc. have enabled us to broadly classify animal kingdom. Besides the fundamental feature, there are many other distinctive characters which are specific for each phyla or class. Porifera includes multicellular organisms which exhibit cellular level organization and have characteristic flagellated choanocytes. The coelentrates have tentacles and bear cnidoblasts. They are mostly aquatic, sessile and free floating. The ctenophores are marine animals with complates. The platyhelminths, a flat body, exhibit bilateral symmetry. Parasitic form shows distinctive suckers and hooks. Ascalminths are pseudocoelomates, include parasitic as well as non-parasitic roundworms. Annelids are metamerically segmented animals with a true coelom. The arthropods are most abundant group of animals characterized by the presence of joint appendages. Mollusks have soft body surrounded by external calcareous, means are made up of calcium shell. The body is covered with external skeleton made with chitin. The echinoderm possesses a spiny skin. Their most distinctive feature is the presence of water vascular system. Hemichordates are small group of worms like marine animals. They have cylindrical body with proboscis, collar and trunk. Phylum chordate include animals which possess notochord earlier, either throughout or during the embryonic life. Other common features observed in the chordates are dorsal, hollow nerve cord, paired pharyngeal gill slits. Some of the vertebrates do not possess jaws, agnatha. Most and some, pay attention to this. Some of them they do not, but most of them they do. They are called gnathostomata. Agnatha is represented by class Cyclostomata. They are most primitive chordates, and they are ectoparasites on fishes. Gnathostomata has two superclass, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Chondric thighs and ostick thighs bear fins for locomotion and are grouped under Pisces. The chondric thighs are fishes with cartilaginous exoskeleton and are marine. Classes Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia have two pairs of limbs and are thus it's two pair, not two limbs. Two pair means four limbs. The Animalia have adapted to live in both land and water. Reptiles are characterized by the presence of dry coniferous skin. Limbs are absent in snakes. Fishes, amphibians and reptiles are poikilothermous, which is cold-blooded. Aves are warm-blooded animals. They have feathers on their bodies. Their forelimbs are modified into wings for flying. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, swimming, perching and clasping. The unique feature of mammals are presence of mammary glands and the hair on the skin. They commonly exhibit vivipary. And with this, my friends, we're done with the chapter Animalia or Animal Kingdom. I hope you all read along with me. I'm keeping these videos really short so that let's say you're traveling anywhere, or you're you're somewhere and you just want to revise, you just want to see, instead of making it a 1 hour or 30 minutes video, I chose to make it little shorter so that one can always open and watch like a 10-minute video and revise. So that is the purpose. Alright, you all, I'm really happy I was able to finish this chapter with you all. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be back with a new chapter. Alright then, thank you for watching. Have a good day, and do tell me in the comments that how did you find this series. Along with that, I would also encourage you all to tell me which lecture do you want me to, which chapter do you want me to include next. Otherwise'll do it myself anyway. So yes, do drop your suggestions or whatever you feel about these videos in the comment section, or maybe you can put a tick in order to show that you read it with me. I think that will be a better option. Put a tick in the comment section to show that you read with me and make a streak out of it. Let's see who makes the longest streak. I mean, if you write the day number there, it'll be like a streak, just like Snapchat streaks that we make. Alright then, I'm keeping the video till here only. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, good luck.